So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button right now, like and also make your comments. I'll not watch out for it. So let's take a look at our Euro pairs for this week. So we'll be taking a look at four of our Euro pairs. But before we get started, let us first of all see what this our Euro index is actually saying. So it is this our index that will guide us for this week. So we will see it from the weekly time frame. You can see that the trend for our Euro index is actually an uptrend move. You can also see that this price is trading above the third period moving average. So we still see this Euro as still as a bullish move. You can see this price is still giving us like a bullish move on Euro. So we still see it as a bullish move. Now let's take a look at what this Euro Swiss franc is saying. Now, if you have to zoom it out, currently I can't really get the full picture, right? I can't really get the full picture on this our Euro Swiss franc, right? You see that I don't let's start with the weekly time frame so we need to understand it. So now let's take a look at this trend on this weekly time frame. You can see that this movement itself is a bullish move. Likewise, you can take a look at this your Euro right index. It's kind of giving us like a bullish move. So basically we can now start speculating a bullish move on majority of our Euro pairs. And one of those pairs will be speculating a bullish move on is this Euro Swiss franc. So now let's see this movement like this as an higher highs. Then we will take a look at this to be a pullback. You will now see this to be a new highs. So we'll be expecting a new highs to be formed that will take out this previous highs. So this euro, I would like call it this euro itself, we'll be expecting a bullish move. So this new highs needs to take out this previous highs on our euro to euro to Swiss franc. So euro Swiss franc bullish. You can also see it's still trading above our 10 period moving average until this price breaks below the moving average and it is trading below this moving average. Then and then, we can consider to like maybe go ahead and sell on this euro Swiss franc. But as long as this our price is still trading above this 10 period moving average, then we should just go ahead and continue to go bullish. Right now, let's see what this daily time frame is saying. So we can see the movement kind of like a bullish move. Then a pullback was made here that dropped down, and our price is correcting itself, and it is giving us that bullish move. Like I said, a new ice needs to be formed that we take out this previous ice price actually give us a pullback from. So this euro Swiss franc still on a bullish move. So I think this price is kind of reacting here, right? Like call it a range market move, whereby price is coming to tap this support and resistance level. So this is why we are going to add that principle of trade what you see and not what you think for. So for days, maybe on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, as we get a impulse move to our resistance level, we should also go ahead and sell to the support level. Now take a look at this movement that is close to our resistance level. So you can wait patiently for you to get to our resistance level. Once you get to the resistance level, then you can go ahead and sell on this euro Swiss franc. So this euro Swiss franc, we should be watching out for a bearish move soon. So we would want to sell it down to our support level. Then we should be able to take it up again to our resistance level until this price eventually breaks this resistance level, which I believe will happen soon. So once it breaks above this resistance level, we can wait for a pullback and continue the bullish move on euro Swiss franc. Same thing with the forward time frame. Basically, this price is actually ranging within this level, right? So you can go ahead and range and take a look at this ranging market move. Price is ranging within this level, so we should go ahead and range within this level. Let's come to this resistance level, then take it down again to our support level until this price rose up, break above this resistance level, then we will continue that bullish move. Now that should now take us to our euro New Zealand dollar. So let's start with this moment, which is euro New Zealand dollar with the weekly time frame. So this week that just finished, you can kind of see like a huge candlestick, like a pin bar, right? A huge candlestick with sticking at the bottom and at the top. So before that, we can see 2 weeks ago, right? We actually opened and closed bullish. 3 weeks ago, we opened and closed bullish. This week that I just finished, it kind of like green, but that is serious a pin bar. So this week that we are trying to predict for, right? We should also expect a green candle. That means euro to New Zealand dollar should be giving us a bullish move. As you can see on our euro pairs, we should be expecting a bullish move by the way. So let me watch out for this level. I'm watching out, personally watching out for this level. Yeah. So let me see this euro to New Zealand dollar come and hit a level of 1.70. Currently, we are trading at 1.68, 1.68 something, or 1.68 plus. But I would want to see it actually get to a level of 1.70 on euro New Zealand dollar. So, and you can also see this price is above our 10 period moving average, right? So, I'm still expecting a further bullish move. This is one of the reasons why this week I would want to see this euro New Zealand dollar to give me a bullish move, by the way. Now let me see what this day time frame is saying. So we can see this movement. We are seeing like this, uptrend move spiking up. So I want to continue to see this price give us that bullish move. So I will take a look at this to be an ice. I will take a look at this to be a pullback, right? Here would be considered a new ice, and I will take a look at this to be a pullback. Now I will be expecting a new ice that will take out this previous ice, right? So that is to tell you that Euro New Zealand dollar more bullish move is to come. And for our time frame, we can also still see it spiking up, giving us an higher highs and higher lows. So we should continue with that movement. We can also see this price trading above this 10 period moving average. So definitely Euro New Zealand dollar, I'm still expecting a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this EURCAD. Basically, you can see it on the let's start it with the monthly time frame. So you can see this price is spiking up, right? Let me move this Fibonacci retracement. We'll make use of it soon, right? You can see this trend, uptrend move. You can also see it trading above the 10 period moving average. Now that should now take us to the weekly time frame. I want you guys to pay attention, right? So you want to know the trend for the weekly time frame, right? So you can start. This is an uptrend move, higher highs and higher lows. So let's take a look at this would be impulse move, then a pullback here, right? Another impulse move, then this will be considered to be a pullback. Then you can take a look at this as a new highs, and here will be seen as a pullback. After that pullback, what do you expect? You expect a further bullish move. So this euro card, more bullish move is to come. You can also see it still trading above the 10 period moving average. So definitely euro card itself is still on a bullish move. So let's continue to go long. Now let's take a look at what this daily time frame actually says here. So a pullback has been made here, right? So now this pullback is over, which I strongly believe you can see this price has broken above this 10 period moving average. So we should continue our bullish move on EURCAD. So EURCAD also we expect more bullish move to come these coming days, that it will take out this previous highs, right? So more bullish move or more rally movements is to be made. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So let's see, we can see the 4 hour time frame, higher highs and higher lows is what is playing out here. So let's continue with that movement. This will just take a look at this as a pullback. So since the pullback is over, we are now expecting more bullish move. As you can see it right on the 4 hour time frame, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So I mean, if you want to go ahead and go long on EURCAD, I think this would be a good opportunity to actually go ahead and go long. So EURCAD more bullish move is to be made. Now let's take a look at the last one, which is Euro AUD. Right, let's start it from the weekly time frame. So let's see this weekly time frame. So like I said, you would want to know the trend for that movement. So you can see the trend is actually an uptrend move, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. One, you can also see this price is trading above the 10 period moving average, right? So as long as it is still below above, sorry, the price is trading above our 10 period moving average. So as long as price is trading above 10 period moving average, then we all we want to go do is wait for a setup or an opportunity to go ahead and go long, right? So Euro AUD, we will still be speculating a bullish move. So let's take a look at this to be an ice. We will consider this to be a pullback. We will see this to be a new ice, and this will be considered as a pullback. A new ice being played here, and we'll take a look at this to be a pullback. After that, we should continue that uptrend move. So a new ice needs to be made that will take out this previous ice. So Euro AUD, guys, bullish move is what we'll be watching out for. Now take a look at the daily time frame. So bullish move. So we are having, but currently a pullback is playing out on this euro AUD. So since we are all speculating a bullish move on our euro pairs, right? So I believe we'll also get that same bullish move on euro AUD. So all we just have to do is wait for a pullback to be completed. So this pullback has gotten to this level. What we'll be expecting next year is actually an impulse on euro AUD. So expect a bullish move at this level. So this week also we expect a bullish move on euro AUD. And same thing with your forward time frame. But before you actually go ahead and take your buy movements, right, you would want to get confirmation to go long. That is, maybe once price is trading above your 10th period moving average, and once you are getting higher highs and higher lows, maybe you are getting multiple break of structure upward, then I think that would be a confirmation or an opportunity for you to go ahead and take a buy movement on euro AUD.